Blessed be my witches, my spiritualists, and welcome to another episode of Witch Please. It is I, Odin the Seer, and today I wanted to bring to the Witch Please family's knowledge this beautiful, powerful item. Now, I know in Witch Please I have shown you all how to make black salt. Now that black salt, of course, is the ritualized, magical black salt that we use for banishing and protection and what have you, bringing in dark matter. But I wanted to show you another black salt. And not a lot of people know about it, and those who do know about it, unfortunately, don't know how to utilize it. So this is black rock salt. You can ingest this. Think about that. What does that mean? If there is something within inside of your reality, if there's something that you are struggling with, I have found that even just telling some of my clients, or for myself for that matter, if there was ever a situation where I was struggling and I needed to banish a concept or something that was an illusion that was holding me down, just cooking with my regular black salt, with this black salt, this black rock salt, has made the world of difference. It's helped me move past certain things. Now, they're saying that there's a whole bunch of different health benefits. Whether or not those are true or not, that's entirely up to, I guess, whomever's using it. But for myself, I have found that when using this black rock salt, I have found that it has made a lot of differences in my reality, banishing negative energy from my reality. It has helped me with my weight loss and building muscle. It has helped me. Now, again, I'm not saying that it was the black salt that helped me with the building of muscle, and that it was, that I'm talking magically. Okay, just banishing that negative energy from me, assisting me with my sleep. Now, if you want to put on muscle mass or if you want to lose weight, sleep is very, very important. Anxiety, I found that just the addition of this black salt in my, taking out the white salt and putting in the black salt, I have found that it has helped with me, when it comes to things like being anxious or over anxious about certain things. I don't want you to think that I'm using black salt all the time. That's not what I do. But when there is certain things that I need to do, and I need to banish any of that negative thoughts or negativity out of my reality, I found that, again, cooking with black salt has made the world of difference. So I know this is a very short video, but it is something that I wanted to share with the Witch Please family. I just think it's so important and something that any witch should really have, and where you can eat it and you can absorb that energy and that power and that banishing. If you go to your local East Indian store, or if you go on Amazon, you will be able to find black, sometimes it's black Himalayan salt they call it, or black rock salt, edible. That is an amazing thing to have. But I think I paid €1.50 for this. That's how cheap it is. And it's 100 grams. And this will last me a long time. And I got it at my local East Indian store. Alright, my witches, that is our episode for today. If you have not subscribed, you need to press subscribe. Join the Witch Please family and do not miss out on a thing. You can follow us on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, as well as Facebook. You can always send me a personal email at witchpleaseofficial@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to press that bell icon so you're notified when a new video comes out, because you don't want to miss a thing. I said it before, my witches, my spiritualists, and I will say it again. It is a pleasure to have you in my world. It is an honor to have you in my magic. And you are always in my heart. I will see you again on another episode of Witch Please. I love you, boo-boos. Bye-bye.